Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making a salad dressing using one of my favorite ingredients, which is avocado. And what goes better with avocado than lime? And we're going to be using cilantro to make this dressing. And just a tad bit of water. All right, so the first things first, I'm going to cut this avocado and then we're going to add the entire avocado to our food processor that already has our washed and dried cilantro in it. All right, let's go ahead and get our avocado into this dressing. And I'm gonna go ahead and position this so that you can see what we're doing. I have to pull out any of those little black spots before we blend. All right, let's go ahead and get our lime in there. You can squeeze by hand, or if you have a handy dandy little squeezer, you can certainly use that. These are very ripe, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to squeeze it right in. And because I'm putting a lot of lime in there, I'm not going to add my water just yet until I pulse this down and see where we're at. Let's check this for consistency. You can see I had one piece of cilantro that just didn't do anything, so we'll pull that one out. So you can see here's the consistency. It's a little thick. See, right, I'm going to show you this way. It's a little thick. So we are going to add that water. And add our water in. Just going to put about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half in. Alright, let's check our consistency now and see what we've got. We still have a little bit of thickness here, but you know what I'm going to do at this point? I'm going to add just a little bit more water, but I'm going to taste it first. Oh, that tastes nice. It needs salt. I'm going to add a little bit of salt in there. Now we're going to add our water. Just a little bit more. There we go. And now let's pulse this down. Now let's give it a try. You can see where we're at now. The consistency is much better. It's still a little on the creamy side, the pasty side, but I think that'll mix fine with our salad. I'm going to give it a taste just before I serve. Very nice. All right, I'm going to go back in. I'm going to get this on my salad. And here we have our creamy avocado lime dressing. Didn't have any tomatoes today or anything, but we're just going to go ahead and toss this in. It's going to be fantastic. Almost tastes like guacamole and salsa together. I'll take one of the pieces of lettuce and just give this a try with the lettuce. Fantastic. I would love some tomatoes in my salad. Next time we'll add the tomatoes in and do the recipe on the website. This was a first try for this. It's a winner. Pretty simple to do. Thanks for watching.